Once again, welcome down. This is the NY Hip Hop Awards live event and award ceremony. We just finished off the NY Hip Hop Awards 2013, and it's been crazy. Oh man, yo, how you feeling, Skills?
Man, it's mad. The award was insane. I'm very proud of all the contestants, the judges. It's been freaking amazing, yo. Big ups to y'all, man. I don't know what to say. I'm so excited.
Yo, we got our very own DJ Aki, who won Best DJ 2013.
Yes, yes, sir. I want to thank everybody, all my friends, fans, family, man, the whole Crib Show crew, Skills, Vandal, I mean, Joe, come on, you know, that's how we do. 2014 is going to be a bright year. Look out for all the mixtapes that are going to come out. And I want to thank Mad Slang, of course, my brother, you know, thanks for coming. Napster in the house, man, Napster, my boy, Reaper, what's up?
Word.
And the whole of AFO Radio, thanks for pushing the whole scene into another level.
Word, truth, man, shit.
No doubt it's mad love out here. Crib Show doing this thing, Movement doing this thing, NY Hip Hop Awards, you know it. Congratulations to all the winners, well deserved. Work hard for next year, we're bringing it back to you, yo.
No doubt, y'all, it's the Crib Show,
you know
NY Hip Hop Awards 2013. It's
baby.
A wrap. We done. We out of here.
Next year.
One love. Peace.
Next year. Peace.